Before dawn on December 7, 1846, cold rain hung over the hills northeast of present-day San Diego as one of the fiercest cavalry engagements of the Mexican-American War reached its climax. Although movements began on December 6th, the decisive fighting of the Battle of San Pascual erupted on this morning, an event rooted in the wider struggle for control of California. When the United States declared war on Mexico in 1846, President James K. Polk ordered the occupation of California, a province prized for its Pacific harbors and strategic value. General Stephen Watts Kearney, commander of the Army of the West, was tasked with marching more than 2,000 miles from Fort Leavenworth to secure the region. Early reports suggested the territory had already been subdued by U.S. naval forces and John C. Fremont, but on reaching the Southwest, Kearney learned that California rancheros had risen in revolt and retaken Los Angeles under leaders like Jose Maria Flores and Captain Andres Pico. Needing to reinforce the only remaining American stronghold, San Diego, Kearney pushed his weary column westward. Pico, determined to block him and maintain California control of Southern California, deployed his elite lancers to the San Pascual Valley, a natural choke point along Kearney's route. On the night of December 6th, Scout Kit Carson reported a small California camp nearby. Believing he faced only a minor force, Kearney ordered a pre-dawn surprise attack. But exhaustion, faulty intelligence, and damp weather put the dragoons at a severe disadvantage. Their mounts were worn from the desert crossing, their powder and gear soaked, and many carbines misfired in the mist. Just before sunrise on December 7th, Kearney's men charged downhill, only to discover Pico's lancers were far more numerous and fully prepared. What followed was a brutal, swirling melee of sabers, lances, and colliding horses. The California riders, expert horsemen raised on the ranchos, used their lances with speed and precision, dealing heavy casualties. More than one-third of Kearney's force was killed or wounded, and Kearney himself was injured. Although Pico eventually withdrew, aware that U.S. reinforcements were approaching, the blow to the Army of the West was severe. Despite the losses, Kearney's surviving troops reached San Diego with help from Carson and U.S. Navy Marines. Combined American forces would retake Los Angeles in early 1847, securing California for the United States. Yet the Battle of San Pascual stands as a reminder that the conquest of the West was neither simple nor uncontested. Today, the battlefield lies within San Pascual Battlefield State Historic Park, preserving the memory of one of the West's most dramatic mounted engagements.